Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Halloween decoration for your office space, the LUDILO 100-piece 3D Bats Halloween Decoration Set. If you're looking to instantly transform your workspace into a spooky, fun environment without spending hours or breaking the bank, these bats might just be your perfect pick. Right out of the box, this set offers an impressive 100 bats, crafted from premium quality PVC material. The bats come in 4 different sizes and shapes, ranging from extra small to large, allowing you to create a dynamic and realistic display. What really sets these apart is the 3D design. Each bat's wings can be folded to give the effect of flying, adding depth and life to your Halloween decor. Whether you stick them on walls, windows, doors, or even your office supplies, they create a vivid, eerie vibe that captures the spirit of the season perfectly. Installation is super easy and hassle-free. Each bat comes with double-sided adhesive tape pre-applied, so all you have to do is peel and stick on any clean, dry, smooth surface. This includes glass, ceramic tiles, metal, and painted walls. The adhesive is strong enough to hold the bats in place but also designed to be removable without damaging your surfaces. If you want to remove them later, using a hairdryer or soapy water will help take off any residue, making them reusable and perfect for office use where you don't want permanent marks. Durability is another highlight. These bats are waterproof and made from non-toxic materials, so they're safe to use indoors and even outdoors if needed. The sturdy construction means they won't easily tear or fade, so your Halloween decor will look fresh all season long. Aside from the visual impact, the set is very versatile. You can scatter the bats throughout your office space, group them for a dramatic wall installation, or even combine them with other Halloween decorations like spider webs and pumpkins for a themed look. Their black color and realistic shapes blend well with many decoration styles, creating an ambiance that's spooky yet professional enough for the office. Overall, the LUDILO 100-piece 3D bats are a fantastic solution if you want a quick, creative, and budget-friendly way to bring Halloween spirit to your workplace. The combination of easy application, realistic 3D design, and reusable quality makes it a standout choice for anyone aiming to decorate without hassle. If you enjoyed this review and want more honest product insights, be sure to subscribe to Product Critique. Thanks for watching and have a spooky Halloween season.